So we are going to be trying to see the most popular videos that are we actually change the plan. We're going to do a try not to laugh. So let's get straight into it. So I feel like this one's going to be quite painful. Let's do it. So let's. Oh God, that must be painful. Oh no! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh no! I laughed. Poo. I laughed. Oh well, let's just try and watch the video because this might be a lot funnier than it looks. Oh God. Why did he do that? Oh, yep. He's gonna flip. Yep, I saw that coming. Same things are happening now. Look, he's gonna go into the car maybe. Nope. It's actually easy with that bike. I say that and I'm gonna be quite bad at it if I did it. Oh no no no! Oh God. You had it! You had it! Come on, keep fighting. Why has he got one of them? He just knocked himself out. Let's see that. Wait, hold up. He knocked himself out. He actually knocked himself out. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh no. Oh God. Oh. So I had to skip a bit because that was a bit rude. That's quite cool. Oh, this one's so old now. That one, I thought it was, oh, he's gonna break a lamp. Yep. Very predictable. And, he's gonna skim down and flip, isn't he? Oh! I thought he was skiing, not skiing. Oh my God, that was quite weird. Oh God, I wouldn't want to be him. Look at that. He's killing himself every time. He's gonna skim, isn't he? He's gonna hit it, isn't he? He's gonna bounce off. Into the tree. Grip on, Tarzan. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna stay quiet now so you guys can watch a bit. Okay, that was quite sad then. She was crying. That's funny. poor dog. He's gonna break it. He's gonna flip. Oh! That's why you all kids always should have a zipper down. Yep, it's demonstrating why, isn't it? And always fences. Says the person that has no fence on their trampoline. Oh, they're gonna backflip and hit their heads. I've seen that one. It's really painful, and that's happened to me. The odd one out. That looks so much like my friend's little brother. He's dead. Oh no, the way to win. This is gonna go bad. Ready? That's how you get your foot in a hole. Oh, good. It's gonna rip. That actually happened with my sister. She jumped on her knees and it ripped open. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, jump on you, hit it, ripple my head. Scooby-Dooby-Doo is dead from you. He's Scooby-Dooby-Dooed. Ready? Rip. Oh no! Guys, this might be a very painful one, so I will let you skip further because this is going to be very painful. Don't watch if you don't like painful things. Okay, you can come back now. Haha. End of my try not to laugh. I'll see you all later.